In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's Gantt view. 5 minutes. We'll use Asana's timeline, which is a Gantt-style view that helps you visualize how work fits together over time, spot conflicts, and keep projects on track. First, open your browser and head to Asana's login page. Enter your email address, click Continue, and then enter your password to log in. Once you're on your Asana homepage, you'll see your recent work and any projects you're part of. Next, open the project or portfolio you want to view on a timeline. Inside the project, switch to the Timeline tab. This is where your plan comes to life. If you need to create work directly from here, click the Add Task button on the timeline. To make sure tasks actually appear on the timeline, give each one a start date and a due date. Without dates, a task won't plot on the chart. If a task doesn't have dates yet, look to the right side of the timeline for the Unscheduled Tasks section. You can drag items from there onto the timeline and drop them on the dates you want. Dependencies are where timeline really shines. Tasks that depend on others will be connected automatically. You'll see gray lines when there's no issue, and red lines when there's a potential conflict, like a dependent task starting before its predecessor finishes. If you need to create or adjust dependencies, drag the small connector from one task bar to another, or open a task and use the Add Dependency option. As you build these relationships, the timeline becomes a clear map of what needs to happen first, next, and last. You can adjust timing by dragging and dropping taskbars to new dates, and the timeline updates instantly. Click any task to open its details pane, where you can review dates, add context, and confirm who's responsible. This is also a great place to double-check that the start and due dates align with the dependencies you've set. If your plan shifts, open Timeline Options to manage dependency date shifting. This setting controls how Asana moves dependent tasks when a predecessor changes, helping you keep the schedule realistic without manually updating each item. That's the core of using Asana's Gantt-style timeline. Add tasks, set dates, drag to adjust, connect dependencies, and manage shifts. Gantt charts and timeline views make it easier to plan work with your team, communicate the schedule, and resolve conflicts before they become delays.